AI lovers, for those who do not know how to work with AI, this is the guide you need. We've all felt it, the moment when the world speeds up, when the headlines blur into noise, and when the future feels like a train barreling down the tracks without us. It's happening too fast. I can't keep up. What if I'm left behind? AI isn't just another trend. It's a tidal wave, reshaping how we create, work, and even think. Every scroll, every notification, every breakthrough reminds us, the rules are changing. And for those of us who create, innovate, or dream, this can feel like standing on shifting sands. But here's the truth, AI isn't the enemy of your authenticity. It's not here to replace your voice, your vision, or your unique spark. It's here to collaborate, to be your co-pilot, your sounding board, your partner in the creative process. The innovation loop, where human creativity meets AI's power. Let's talk about the innovation loop, a cycle as old as creativity itself. You start with an idea. You explore it. You refine it. You share it. And then, you circle back, over and over, until it's yours. Historically, this loop relied on tools like mind maps, scribbles on napkins, or late-night brainstorming sessions. Brilliant? Absolutely. But limited by time, energy, and our own biases. Now, imagine having a creative partner who doesn't just assist you, it expands you. One that can generate 50 variations of your idea in seconds. Suggest wild, unexpected connections you'd never see alone. Push boundaries without fear so you can focus on what truly matters, your vision. This is where AI shines, not as a replacement, but as a catalyst. Prompts, your secret weapon for authentic collaboration. So, how do you talk to AI in a way that keeps you at the center? Prompts aren't just commands, they're invitations. They're the bridge between your intuition and AI's potential. Think of it like this, you bring the why, your passion, your purpose, your authenticity. AI brings the what-if, endless possibilities, rapid iteration, and fresh perspectives. Together, you're not just keeping up with the future. You're shaping it. The big idea. This isn't just a book about AI. It's a manifesto for creators, startups, and innovators who refuse to let technology drown out their voice. It's about staying human in a world that's racing toward the machine. Because here's the real secret, AI doesn't have to steal your soul. When used right, it can amplify it. So, are you ready to collaborate, not compete? To create, not conform? To own your future, with AI as your ally? Let's begin.